Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to send Bitcoin on PayPal to another wallet, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in. You can start by opening up the PayPal application for that and navigate to the Finances tab. Once you go to the Finances tab, you can go ahead and tap on your crypto balance and select the option of Bitcoin from here. Once you select Bitcoin here, you need to look out for the transfer arrows option in the screen. And once you select it up, select the option of send from here. Do an external BTC address or PayPal customer selected. And if prompted, you can just go over and add any additional identity verification steps. Now, what you need to do is basically enter the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address in this box right here. You can paste it or enter it manually, or even scan a QR code from the receiving wallet. After you do so, you just need to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to send. You can either enter the Bitcoin amount from a dollar value or PayPal would carry the conversion. So you can just go and do so. After that is done, you can just go over and review all of the transaction details, including the address, the amount, to ensure that they are correct. And just go ahead and tap on send now and confirm the external transfer. And that is it, everybody. If you want to send Bitcoin on PayPal to another wallet, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.